Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of 2 minus sin x over 2 plus cosine x dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to divide this integral into two integrals. The first one, that's about 2 over 2 plus cosine x, and the second one, that's about sin x over 2 plus cosine x dx. So we do the second one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we will about u equal to 2 plus cosine x du equal to negative sin x dx. So for this one, we need to change 2 cosine x into u. So that should be about u in here. Negative sin x dx, we change for the u. And this one, you will get about ln of absolute value of u. About u, we need to change back to 2 plus cosine x. The second one, we can use about integration by substitution. So we will about z equal to tan of s over 2, and we have cosine s equal to 1 minus z square over 1 plus z square. So we got about ds equal to 2 dz over 1 plus z square in here. So for this one, we put this one in here. ds, we change for this one. We have 2 multiplied with number 2, so you got about number 4. We put in here. One plus z square multiplied with number 2 and this fraction in here. So you got about 2 plus 2z square, and we have 1 minus z square. Next, this one that we cancel. 2 plus 1 is about number 3. And now we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we will about z equals to the square root of number 3 tan t. So we got about dz equal to the square root number 3 multiplied with secant t square dt. So this one, we can change about 3 tan t square dz, we change for this one. So we put number 3 and the square root number 3 outside, and we got about 4 multiplied with the square root number 3 over 3. We know this one is about secant of t square. This one, they cancel. And we got about this one multiplied with t plus c. About t, we need to change path for z. So we divide both sides with the square root number 3. About z, we need to change path for s. So this one we put in here. So we compile the answer. So we got this one plus this, the number in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.